In this video, we're going to look at some of the new updates released when it comes to managing your store items. One of the new updates is that you can easily duplicate now items within a store section. So let's say you are creating a yoga teacher training and you want to add module 7 after module 6. So all you need to do is go to actions and then duplicate. It will duplicate everything within. It's basically copy and pasting, and then you can simply change the items or the pages within the store item as well as the title of it too. When you're duplicating it, it will open up the copy of that module 6, and here you can change the details, even the tags of that module, and also if it's available for members or packages, or if you want to limit access to this as well. Once you created that, you can simply edit the content. Now, module 6 didn't have anything in there, so this one didn't have anything either, but you can add your content here. The second update is connected to the ability to search within store items. This has been available for your clients, but now in your dashboard as well, you can search for store items. You can put in a keyword, maybe philosophy, and it will bring up that store item, so it's easy for you to do any actions within this store item too. There has also been an update connected to your tags, which makes it really easy to filter your online store. And when you are adding your tags, you can also rearrange them. So maybe it's more important for you to see the teacher training tags first instead of the beginner or intermediate tags. So when you do this, you can look for that right away and add the tag that you need the most. And the final update comes to your clients when they are logging into your website, and if they have a membership that is connected to an online store and your main purpose of your website is to have that membership, they will be right away directed to this page. So the membership access, they'll be able to see any sessions or appointments that they can book in, but also the online store items that are available for them, making it super easy for them to log in and right away enter to the online membership page as well. Let us know what you think about these updates, and if there are any that you'd like to see, write them in the comments and we'll hope to make them happen for you.